Citizens, today is January 6th, 2021. It is the worst day for American democracy, or the best, depending on how white and how dumb you are. Tonight, your country needs you, because I forgot to download the angry mob sounds I was going to use for this piece. You, America, are going to be the angry mob. Alright? I'm going to tell you what to say. It's fine. It's easy. Trust me. You over here on the right wing, you're going to say, hummer, mummer, murder, murder, hummer, mummer. And just keep it going. Ready? We're going to try that. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You in the middle, you're going to say, Order, Morgan! Angry white man, Order, Morgan. Ready? Excellent. You, over here, on the left wing of the right wing, you are going to say, violence is justified to protect my right to take away your rights. Excellent. Everyone together. Excellent. If we all pull together, we can make America hate again. The Capitol is under siege. Madness is upon the people.
Hummer, mummer, murder, murder, hummer, mummer.
You take away my rights and put my rights.
And their blood lust for the blood of one man. Hummer, mummer, murder, murder. My rights, my rights. Vice President Mike Pence.
Oh.
Shoot, what? Why are you swarming? Flies are only attracted to filth and corruption. Why do you say that? I hear the American people. Where are they? Where are they? They're saying something. They're saying something. I hear my name. I think they're saying, save Mike Pence. Save Mike Pence. Wait. They're not saying save Mike Pence. They're saying something else. I should get out of here. Maybe I can find it. Oh no! That's not holy! That's not holy! Lord, save me! Mother, save me! Rudy, save me! Rudy! Oh dear God! Rudy, what happened? Rudy, you're no help at all. I'm sorry. I must find my one true friend, my ally, the beacon of righteousness in this hellscape of a nation. Boss! Mr. President, where? Oh, you're tweeting me. No! You said I right? Oh, I let you down. You thought I would do the right thing, but Mr. President, these people are trying to kill me. You said that. Oh, you think I deserve it? Oh no. What can I do? I'm betrayed by my allies. I can only. Who can help me? Mother, can you save me? Mother has already gone into hiding. Huh? Well, that's good. In that case, I have only one choice. Are you there, God? It's me, Margaret. Mike.
Hello, Mike.
Wait, Lord. You're supposed to be an old white-haired man like me with a beard that I could never grow.
Well, this would not be your first mistake.
Well, I guess that's true. This must be some sort of test. I can't be alone with a woman who isn't mother. I need you to take me away from here right now. What should I do?
Oh, Mike, you chose this life.
Yes.
I sent you many signs.
That's true.
But
Is this
you
why
chose
we're-
the devilish ways that you chose. And if you sleep with dogs, you get fleas, motherfucker.
Oh! What do I do? Abandoned by my friends, hunted by my own people, forsaken by God. Where can I turn?
Hello, Mike.
Oh, hello.
You can come over to my side.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Come on, Mike. You know you've been thinking about it.
Oh, I was curious, but I experimented in college, but I just don't think it's for me.
Come on now, Mike. I can make all of your wildest fantasies come true.
You mean pudding every Sunday?
Yes, Mike, pudding every Sunday. That's what I mean. Come to me, Mike.
I suppose I don't really have a choice.
Yes, that's true, Mike. But you also don't have a good track record of making choices, do you?
No, I suppose not. One thing. May I call you mother?
No, I don't think so.